As the audiovisual librarian at the Milwaukee Art Museum, I am responsible for taking care of all of our images, all of our audio, and all of our video in the collection. In years past, that used to mean slides, it used to mean photographs, audio on old cassettes, VHS, old films, 16 millimeter, 8 millimeter films on giant reels. Now these days, it also includes anything that is in a digital format that can be viewed on a computer. If you're playing an MP3 or you're viewing an image on a website, anything like that that is related to the museum's collection and our history. So, for example, on a typical day when I come in, I may have to scan an old photograph, say, of a sculpture that was once in the museum's collection. And by scanning it, I'm able to make it viewable on a computer. It's in a digital format. So that's pretty much what I'm responsible for. I'm responsible for various requests. If a curator wants to see an image of one of our works in the collection, I usually can provide that for him or her. Along those lines, and we are in the process of making viewable on computers, digitizing our archives, various photographs and audio and video, letters from curators past and artists past that we have in the collection, things like that.